Hello guys, welcome to Unreal Engine. Today we'll learn how we can use multiple idle animation for our character. You can see in this video, we have our assistant Zempy. She will play randomly idle animation. You can see here just relaxing, standing, relaxing, and after some time he will playing another animation, and we are using the multiple animation here for our main character, and this is so important for a game perfection. You can use it for your game, and this is so easy, and it's just made by a one note blueprint note, so you can use it and you can get it so easy. So let's head back to the tutorial. So hello guys, first of all you can see I am exporting three idle animation here. I am exported from maximo.com, and if you don't know how to retarget Maximo animation, I have lots of video about it in my channel. You can check it. And in this animation section you can see we have three animation here, and you can see the three kind of idle animation here, like still standing, doing nothing, and here you can see feel some hot, and boring here you can see. And also we have a post idle here, like posting some idle here, you can see it's good. And in this three animation you can see we are just export it, retarget it to our queen simple mannequin, and also retarget it for my dash character. You can see, if you don't know how to retarget maximum animation uh, to dash, and how to use the dash animation, maximum animation to a dash character, you can watch my this video. Okay, so first of all, if I play the game here, you can see we have just a one idle animation here, and you can see our character is moved here, and you can see there is a just one animation, but this is not look like the natural. Okay, for game perfection we need the realism. Okay, so for this we are just go to our character here in the details box. In the wall setting you can see our default pawn class is BP Zempy here. If we browse the Zempy character here, you can see this is our Zempy character here, and we are just browse the animation blueprint. Okay, so this is the animation blueprint here, and you can see we have lots of things here. We have spin bone controller, just and in here you can see there is lots of option like main state. In your section this will be the main state, but for my default animation blueprint, because I am using the default animation blueprint of Unreal Engine, and this is a easy things for 5.7 now. If you don't know how to retarget the animation blueprint of uh, Unreal Epic skeleton to dash model, you will watch my previous video in Unreal, in my channel. Okay, so here in the locomotion we are just go to the locomotion. You can see we have an idle option here, and walk and run, and this is perfect animation, and we are just adding here our multiple idle animation. Okay, you can see our idle animation. This is idle dash. This is a default animation of Unreal Engine. We are just retargeted for my dash character, and now we are just changing the animation. Okay, so I'm just deleting the animation here, and we are just search a node random sequence player. Okay, So here we are search random sequence player, and selecting the random sequence player, go to the details. You can see we can use lots of animation here. Okay, so we are just make three of animation here because we have three animation, and we are adding the animation, just adding the animation here. Okay, so first animation is will be idle. We are using using our main idle animation. Okay, so this is our cat walk animation idle dash. Okay, we are selecting the first animation of our, and for the class purpose I don't change anything. You can change the value of here. For the main loop count, chance to play, you can change anything like 2 4, which animation you want to play more. Okay, and give the priority, but I'm just make it default because this is the class purpose. Okay, we don't have to time to see you the long time when our animation will play. And also you can see this is a mini play rate and max play rate, and here you can use the 0.2 and 0.5. This will make the 50% or 20% chance of your animation, the selected animation you add here. Okay, the secondary animation we will use the idle DOF idle. Okay, we are using the DOF idle animation, the secondary animation, and the third animation we'll use the normal idle animation. Okay, so we are just using the normal animation idle. Okay, so here is the normal idle animation we are add. In the last setting we need shuffle mode. You need to use the shuffle mode, make true. Okay, this will automatically play randomly our animation. If you don't make it true, the animation will play by serial, like first play this, then second it, and then the third. But if you make true the shuffle mode, this will play three of animation randomly. Okay, so this is natural. So we are just complete it. This is too easy, and you can see our animation is playing now and is look like perfect. So you can see our main character will play the animation naturally. Test the animation, we are just use the new editor window. Okay, so now you can see our character is playing random idle animation. You can see is not playing the one animation. You can see our character is playing the random idle animation. It's look awesome and perfect. You can see this is good, and you can see this is perfect. And when we play, when we move, our animation will be naturally move on. Okay, and when we stop, our animation will play naturally. So this will be an easy class. Like, share, and subscribe my channel. Support me for making this kind of video for you. Thank you very much.